sound stage. So you film the actors down here on the platform and then follow them upstairs to continue filming. Basically what's going to happen is Luis is going to bring our tram in here for about 10 or 15 seconds to allow those of you with cameras and video cams to get some nice pictures of this real live working set, and then we'll drive through. So those of you with cameras, you can take your pictures. The rest of us will enjoy the clip. I don't know what that is. Just watch the clip.